Hi everyone, welcome to Reading Secret to all my bubble lovers out there. Today I'm doing a requested video and we're going to be dipping some bath bombs. I wish I could remember the lady who asked. I wish I could remember your name, but she wanted to see the recipe that I use to dip the bath bombs. And it was a melt and pour recipe, but it's actually not anymore. This works much better. This is a cocoa butter and soy wax recipe. It's just 1 part cocoa butter to 1 part soy wax. Now you have to use soy wax without additives. So you need the 415 soy wax. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn on my scale. And I'm not going to need much because I'm going to be dipping 28 small bath bombs. So I'm just going to guess that I need maybe 80 grams of each. And just, that's it. Dead easy. It. So 160 grams, we're going to melt that in the microwave right now. Okay, so that took 3 minutes in the microwave to melt, and I just did it on 1 minute stints. So we're going to take some bright gold from Mineral Makeup Ingredients. Nice heaped teaspoonful. I do like my heaped teaspoonfuls, don't I? And we're just going to take a coffee frothing whisk here. Make sure you don't spin the whisk out of the mixture and then put it in and then take it out, because I did that and it goes all over the place. Put it in, then turn it on, whisk it, and make sure you turn it off before you take it back out. And that literally is it. So every now and again you probably will need to give this a stir. You can just stir it in if you want. You don't need to whisk it in. Mica stirs in very, very well. It blends in with cocoa butter and soy wax. Now I just want a smaller container. Sorry if the lights change, my electricity has just gone off. But because the boys are home, they can go and check it. So I'm just using a 280ml tub. I'm going to pour that in there. That's far too much, but the wonderful thing is, when I've finished with it, it'll set in that pot. I can pop a lid on it and I can just remelt it next time. The only thing is, these pots here are not very good for melting in the microwave, so you need to take it out and put it in a heat safe jug. So it's really, really simple. Actually, I'll do a close-up first. You just take your bath bomb. Make sure you've got a good hold of it, dip it in there, remove it, give it a bit of a shake, turn it upside down, and that gives you a gorgeous gold layer on the top. You can sprinkle some glitter on there if you want to, while it's still soft. And I'm not wearing gloves to do this because the fingers on the gloves are too long for my fingers, so if I'm dipping the bath bombs in, the gloves are going to go in there as well, and that's no good at all. But my hands are very clean. The only reason I wear gloves is actually for protection. It's not for hygiene, because my hands are spotless. Sometimes people mention in comments about me not wearing gloves, and the reason we wear gloves is for protection. You know, there are so many chefs and cooks out there, all making food, all making your food without gloves on, and you eat that. It's got a beautiful gloss to it, this sheen. They're definitely reminding me of planets. Boo! So there you are. That's our gold dipped mini bath bombs. Let me know if you were the person that requested this video, and thanks for the request. If anyone else has any requests, please let me know in the comments section below. I'll see you all very soon. Bye bye for now, bubble lovers.